काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, कि काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, कदम चलो ऐसा कि निशान बन जाए। यहाँ जिंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है, लेकिन जिंदगी जियो इस कदर कि मिसाल बन जाए। Hello my dear friends and family, hope you are all well and learning English in a great way. I am Nasibun from UP and this is day 17 of Tutifuti to Dangerous English, and as you all know, I am here to improve my English fluency. I am not a fluent speaker and I am just learning, and I'm going to describe how's the weather is here. Look at the sky. It seems it's a rainy day, but to be honest, it's winter season and we can't see the sun. It's about 10 days. Think, guys. And unfortunately, a strong wind has been blowing from the north side and I'm feeling very cold now. Just assume how cold the weather is here. Firstly, it's so pinching here, cold here, and secondly, a strong wind blowing. So tell me, how's the weather in your area? I'm learning and today I learned 4 vocabulary. I'm going to share with you. Number 1, blistering. Blistering means बहुत तेज या तीव्र, and second is scant heat. Scant heat means कि बहुत कम ध्यान देने वाला, and third one is leisure time. Leisure time means शांत समय, and number 4 curious. Curious means जिज्ञासु. So what you learned today, you can share with me in the comments. If you're thinking about myself, how I improving my English, so I am improving my English like every day I took a chapter and I read out, then I mark which words meaning new for me, and then I go on Google and search what is the Hindi meaning, that English meaning, and then I making sentences. I am learning like this, and if you know English more than me, so please you can correct me and also give your advice that you do like this and you learn like this, and love yourself. Bye bye.